Hey guys, I want to do a quick update on my Hamilton Khaki Field watch that I have for about 6 years already. The watch have started behaving weirdly recently. The movement stops around midnight every day, and I think that's because of me.
It's because of me!
I think I changed the date between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. I think that's the reason why I kind of broke the movement. That's my suspicion. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what's happening recently. And I didn't wear this watch for some time, so it was sitting in my box. But yeah, that's what's going on with the watch right now. And I request the Swatch Group Service Centre to send me slip so I can send them watch back. I am located in Canada, if you don't know. So I asked the Swatch Group Service Centre in Canada to send me service slip or something, and they actually sent me a full box, a FedEx box with pretty nice setup. I'm gonna show you right now. So they sent me this large FedEx box, and along with that, they sent me this thingy that I believe you should put a watch inside, and then you just stick it in the box, and it should be safe for the transportation, for the delivery. So the box is free, and they send me the prices, how much that might cost me. So I have to fill the information and the papers. So yeah, here's the papers. I have to fill this information, and then here the prices are in the Canadian dollars. So if you are curious of how much it costs here in Canada, that's their price list. Definitely it might be different, depends on what's going on with my watch. So I'm gonna fill this list here and send them, and I will keep you updated. I believe it's gonna take a few months for them to do the work. Well, I hope I will hear from them soon, and they will let me know what's going on with my watch. So yeah, that's kind of quick update on the watch. I have the problem with the Hamilton. I can't blame the company, I can't blame the watch. I believe that was my mistake, but I don't know. We'll see what they're gonna send me, what they're gonna tell me about the whole situation. I will keep you updated on my Hamilton watch. Bye now and take care.